In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a flipping text animation that gives your text a smooth, looping flip motion. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your title or caption. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that suits your project. Bold and clean fonts usually work best for flipping animations because the movement stays clear and readable. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now, switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find the animation called Flip Flap Loop. Apply it, and you'll immediately see your text flipping continuously on the screen, creating a smooth and engaging motion. To fine-tune the effect, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a faster, more energetic flip. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, smoother flip. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it perfectly matches the rhythm and style of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a flipping text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.